Hello everyone, welcome to section 2, lesson 2 and part 8, fillet and chamfer. So for any kind of editing tool, you can go to modify and select fillet and chamfer, and the shortcut for fillet is F enter, and for shortcut for chamfer is CHA enter. Let me demonstrate. So I have a line like this. Say I want to fillet this line. I just want to join these two lines and just eliminate these two portions. So I can either trim or fillet. Could be a very good tool when I have a radius. Say I want a radius of 1 feet or something like that. So F enter. So if I just fillet this, it's gonna just round that corner because I have a radius value right now. Let me go ahead and show it to you. So let me delete that. F enter. That is, say you can put the radius value. R enter. If I put 0, now if I fillet this 2 point, it's going to be corner. Now say I have F enter, R enter. Say I want like 10 inches of radius. So then I fillet this 2 point. It's going to be a 10 inches round corner. So fillet could be used in so many different ways. I have a rectangle. It'll be easier to use the polygonal command. So F enter, say R enter. I have 10 inches, and say I want to apply this fillet to the whole polygon. So say P enter, and if I just apply to that object, it will be all 10 inches radius from all corners. It's useful when we have multi-poly line. Say for example I have so many different direction of polylines, and say if I want to apply this, F enter and P enter, I have that radius set as 10, so I'm just going to apply there all of the corners. It's going to turn out to be a 10 inches radius. That's how you do fillet. And there are other options like angle and many other stuff which you can always apply. So the keywords to apply all those are REC enter. Then say I want to fillet that, F enter. Then see all the capital letters which are the ones you have to type in. Basically, say polylines, the P is the capital letter, so P enter will go to the polyline. So that's the keywords. So you can go M enter multiple, and you just do multiple times. First point, second point, first point, second point. Do it multiple times. It's easier to do the polyline theory here when we are using any polygonal object. The next command is chamfer. So the basic difference between chamfer and the fillet is fillet you can give a radius like a round object, and the chamfer say I want like a 10 inch from here and 20 inch from here, and there will be a connecting line. So that's when we use chamfer. The short key for chamfer is CHA enter. Then say I want distance, so D enter, because D is the capital letter over there. So now on the first line I want 10 inches, it's given as 10 inches, so I want 5 inches enter, and the second one I want like 8 inches enter. Now if I click the first one, it will be 5 inches, it will be 8 inches. So I'm just gonna go ahead and chamfer this object. So this is 5 inches, this is 8 inches. So that's how you do chamfer. You can also work with a polygon on chamfer, say rectangle REC, then CHA chamfer. I have that distance already set as 5 and 8. So if I just click these 2 points, it's gonna do that as many times as you want. See, every time I do chamfer without the multiples, I have to do it every time. I have to go back, enter the command, and then chamfer it. But if I would select it multiple times, REC enter and CHA enter, say if I want to do multiple, M enter, then this will not go out from the commands. You can keep on going, selecting all these lines. And I want to show you how the polygon works when we do the chamfer. CHA enter. So I'm going to see P enter. So I'll just click that, and all the corners is going to act at the same time. So that's it for chamfer. F enter and CHA enter. And hope to see you on the next one. Thank you very much for watching.